How to fix Internet Download Manager not downloading files. What's up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a few fixes on how you can easily manage if your IDM is not downloading files off of the internet. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. Now, let's begin. The first thing you need to do is open up your internet options. So go ahead and tap on the search bar and search for internet options. And once this window is open, what you need to do is first delete your browsing history. So just tap on delete and make sure all of this is selected and delete your browsing history. And once you have done that, you want to head over to the connection tab. And now you want to head over to the LAN settings. So if this and this option is turned on and there is something on the address, you just want to turn off your proxy server and you can use the automatically detect settings. So just make sure only this one is turned on. Now just tap on OK, tap on apply, and then OK again. Now the other thing that you can do is allow your IDM on your firewall. So go ahead and search for allow apps on Windows Defender. And then from here you can click on this option right here, allow an app through Windows Firewall. Now if there is your IDM on this list, then you just want to make sure that if there is not, you just want to add it. Tap on change settings and then from here allow another app. Now on your path, you can browse it and find your Windows Defender or your IDM from here and then tap on allow or add it to your Windows Defender. After doing all of that, just make sure to restart your PC once and then your problem should be fixed. I hope you found this helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.